Hello guys, today we're going to see on how far can Mafia Skibidi Toilet 3.0 can get in Endless Summer or in the Endless Summer event. Let me go to it now. Okay, we've loaded in. I am a little bit laggy for some reason. I'm gonna boost for now. I'm going to boost every or max upgrade my boost and then max my samurai cameraman. But once I finally be able to place down or max upgrade my skibidi mutant my mafia skibidi mutant toilet, I will delete this unit and I will also use these for snow. I'm so bad at grammar. Sorry guys if I'm pretty bad at grammar. I also don't really have the best booster due to its 70-second. Once I max this out, it will be like 270-second cooldown. Those 70 seconds, that's the time where the boost is gone. So the toilet could easily just walk through without a care in the world. I must start placing down these scientist cameraman in the lab. But first, I'm gonna place them down strategically. Maybe. Probably not. Really. I probably won't place it down as good as I probably wanted to. But I'll just put the scientist cameramans or my farms where I'll place all of my units at. I'll place like this here. So when the stunner enemy like that dude, the one that just died with a tank, he would rather shoot this lab rather than the actual thing that's doing damage. That's where I'm gonna place all that. I'm pretty sure this is maxed already. Yep. I'll just wait until the cameraman in the lab will finally max itself out. And then I can place this dude. I'll probably place this dude here at the very back. Because of... oh my god. It's because it can hit 2 lanes. I know if I place it here, it can hit 2 lanes. But it doesn't really have the best range due to one side being a lot shorter than the other side. So even if the enemy is just like walking here, the this guy or the samurai cameraman, he would rather target this lane due to it being more closer here. That's why they're not attacking this part until like the freeze thing. Don't you see on it's attacking this before it's actually, even though this has already been its range, it will attack the first one unless if I click like the furthest in the file or whatever. I don't know. Anyways, I think I upgraded everything and I'm pretty sure I'm lagging a lot, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna place down all of my slowing units, and then after that I'm gonna place down the thing, the mafia guy. What the? Okay, nice. I can only place down a couple of this, and now I'm gonna place this down. For right now it does 4,000 damage every 4.6 seconds with the splash radius is very terrible though. It's a really terrible splash radius, but it does have fire, which is really good actually. I don't know why it has fire instead of like acid. Like, cause he's holding a nuclear waste weapon, but I'm not the developer anyways. Okay, for the second upgrade, it's 12k damage every 4.6 seconds. Look at that! 67 range. Anyways, now his second attack is Acid Shooter 3.0, which now he does acid. Why is it worse? I don't know why acid is worse than fire, but oh well. Now it's doing 145 damage. Now, the damage is actually really high for this unit. Wait, let me put this at like right here. Perfect. I'll just max upgrade this first. I'm gonna max upgrade this so it can reach that area. After that, I'm gonna like, wait, the bad part, the cooldown is so bad. The cooldown is terrible, bro. It's actual ass. His cooldown is bonus, bro. Wait, I gotta place this down like right inside of him, dude. I don't want, his cooldown is like bonus. Okay, I'm gonna sell the samurai cameraman now. I'm gonna upgrade the secret agent. It has a 126% boost right now. And now, oh wait, let me check. Okay, and now the Mafia Skibidi Mutant is doing 587,000 damage every 6 seconds. But the bad part is, like, the cooldown drags it so down. Anyways, once I max upgrade this secret agent, I'm most likely not gonna talk and just switch on music after that. The fact we're getting to wave 45 this far, I mean, I do have a pretty good booster, other than the fact that once it's max upgraded, it has a 70-second like no buff, but eh. This Mafia is actually doing a bunch of damage. Of course it does. It does 500,000 damage, but I think we're gonna die before we ever see its true potential. Never mind. It does 2 million damage. 2 million damage already, guys. The problem is, I'm pretty sure once it's like 70-second, the 70-second cooldown is fine. Or the 70-second thing with no boost. Oh my god, it's raining. Just ignore the background if you hear the rain. The 70-second like with no boost is gonna drag us so far down, to be honest. If I'm being honest. And all of these toilets are just stacked up inside of each other, bro. They're just stuck inside of each other. Even the boss are all stuck inside of each other. I don't think I'm gonna really last that long